So I picked up this 2005 SV650s. It had been sitting for 3.5 years. Flushed the tank, replaced the fuel pump, replaced the fuel pressure regulator, changed the plugs, changed the oil, changed the battery, and it still doesn't start. I'll show you what I'm dealing with here. Fuel pump primes. So I don't know. Last thing I need to do is clean the injectors, but sort of avoiding that. What do you guys think?